Hey, are you looking to find out what it takes to rank in Google this week? Join us in this episode as I walk you through exactly the on page SEO elements that rank websites on the front page of Google after a Google algorithm update or a Google core update. But I show you and walk you through all of the elements that we track here at SERPWoo through billions of data points each and every week that you need to pay attention to rank your site on the front page of Google. Hi, my name is Jason Brown, the co-founder of SERPWoo and the inventor of SERP tracking. And today, June 22nd, I'll walk you through almost a full month after the May Google core update, what it takes to rank on the front page of Google. So let me go ahead and jump in here and show you what I see within SERPWoo's Volatility tool. Let me switch screens here. And what you're looking at is essentially the volatility day by day of what we see changing and fluctuating on the first page of Google for millions of keywords and hundreds of millions of URLs that we monitor across our entire data set. So what you see right here is the May core algorithm update where we got a volatility that was almost 20%. Now, anything that goes over 15, we start looking at, hey, this is possibly some fluctuations. And once we get to 16 and 17, we definitely know that there's fluctuations going on. And anything past 17, we know is a major update. Now, as you can see from the 26, things kind of settled down, but we did break 16 and a half here. We broke 17 here on June 1st. We had a couple other times where it got kind of high, 17 on the 7th and 17 on June 15th. Now, this is mainly because after an algorithm update, weeks that go by, Google's still making tweaks and changes. There's still things rolling out. There's things that's getting fixed. There's things that's getting rolled back. And once we hit the 15th, it really starts to die down. We get to 16.3, 15.9, 14.9, 14, 15.25, 14.7, and even today at 15.3. So in all instances, I think we have safely came out of the algorithm update. I think all of the major changes that have happened are going to stay that way. I don't think we're going to see very much volatility now after this. I think everything that has been rolled out has been done. Any rollbacks have already been done. Any tweaks or fixes have already been done. Anything past this point, I think, would just be normal SERP fluctuations, maybe manual site penalties, but I think it would be small. It's not going to be anything that we can say is still part of this core algorithm update unless we see a big spike. So let me go to the next slide here. But before I show you that, I want to ask you a question. Do you like this series? Do you like learning this type of information? Do you like learning what it takes to rank on the front page of Google and how that changes each week? If so, right now, do us a favor. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and you'll be doing us a great favor with the YouTube algorithm. Again, like, comment, subscribe. We definitely would like to see your comments, what you like, what you don't like. And your vote of confidence with the like button or with the subscribe will tell us to keep making this series. So let's jump into it here. Now, what you should be seeing is essentially what we've seen every week with this series with a couple of these factors. Keywords in H2 is still a top 20 factor that we're seeing with our billions of data points, millions of keywords, hundreds of millions of URLs that we're monitoring. And we are using mathematical equations to figure out which one of these thousands of SEO factors are actually contributing to rankings on the first page. Now, this video series is all about on-page SEO. We do have a series about off-page SEO, about building backlinks, but that's not this video. So this is all about on-page SEO. We definitely see keywords in H2 that are ranking. We also have keywords and sentences. That's no surprise. H2 has been around since the beginning of the series back in April. So this definitely is a factor that has longevity. As a matter of fact, I've been writing about keywords in H2 for several years now, being a major ranking factor in the top 20. So it's no surprise to me. Keywords and sentences that I've already gone over. Keywords and titles always comes up. Page size, body size, I kind of intermix it there because usually if you've got large body size or you got a large number of sentences and content, that's going to increase your page size. So page size is in there. Images with alt text, which was kind of new last week. Not really new to the series, but new in our week-to-week analysis. That has remained. Keywords and meta description. Keywords in H1, keywords in H3, and I'll scroll down here so that you can see that outbound links has made it again. Side note, I have seen a lot more links or link-related factors come up in this week's top 20. Now, I am bundling it in as outbound links, but essentially this came back as specifically number of HTTPS links, number of internal links, number of outbound links. So there was multiple link categories for this. I just lumped it as outbound links. Now we do look at the top 20 for this video series. And the reason why you don't see 20 is because some of these do overlap and they are similar. So I'll just make it be one factor. And I have been tracking these factors for weeks. We've got June 15th, June 9th, June 1st, May 24th. I mean, we can go all the way back. You can watch all the older videos too and find out which one of these factors ranked when. But the point of the video is actually to show which factors have longevity and what's changing week to week so that you know how to properly write these articles and optimize your website. Now, that's everything, folks. Just a short video this time around. Please let us know with a like, a comment, and a subscription, and you'll be able to be notified each week when we publish these videos and anything major we see different. But this is all about on-page SEO. This is everything after Google algorithm updates and how to get you ranked on the first page of Google. I'll catch you on the next episode. Have a great rest of your week. Thanks. Bye-bye.